2022 has been a big year here at Draganfly. We've released 3 new products, and our 3XL high-endurance multi-rotor UAV, dubbed the Swiss Army knife of drones, won the 2022 Best Enterprise Drone Award at the Droning Company's annual Droning Awards. Draganfly also released a heavy lift drone capable of carrying more than 30 kilograms of payload and a brand new leading-edge LiDAR system. We have participated in 11 speaking engagements, attended over 20 events, including Edge 2022 at CES at the start of the year, and have received more than 400 media hits so far this year. Most importantly, 2022 has been defined by our utilization of our technology with our team to aid the people of Ukraine. This specific project holds a special place in the hearts and minds of everyone that work here at Draganfly, and it speaks to the core of what we endeavor to achieve as a company through innovation. As we look back and celebrate an amazing 2022, we do so humbled by the continued struggle in Ukraine. To that end, Draganfly launched the UAS Adoption, Innovation, and Research Operations Facility in Spring Branch, Texas this year to support Draganfly's mission to further the adoption of commercial UAV technologies, and it is paying dividends in our ability to identify mines and unexploded ordnances. We look ahead to 2023 not only as a year that promises increased growth with new products and relationships that have been forged, but as an opportunity to scale up our efforts to an unprecedented level across all of our business lines, with more UAV technology on its way and exciting new strategic alliances that promise to get our technology and services in the hands of our customers, helping make the biggest impact possible for them. I would like to thank the amazingly talented and passionate Draganfly team, as well as our partners and customers, for another incredible year. And we wish you a happy holiday season and all the best in 2023.